As many of you know, the #1 rule many Bitcoiners live by is simple. Never sell your Bitcoin.
Never sell your Bitcoin.
You do not sell your Bitcoin.
But real life happens, sometimes you need cash. And the last thing you want to do is sell your BTC, especially in the bear market. Smart holders don't sell. They borrow against their Bitcoin instead. In today's video, I'll show you how to take a Bitcoin-backed loan using one of the most trusted platforms in this niche, Firefish. Here's what makes Firefish different. It's an open-source marketplace for Bitcoin-backed loans built for both borrowers and lenders. It's non-custodial, so rehypothecation is technically impossible. Firefish is Bitcoin native. Everything runs on the Bitcoin blockchain, and it's backed by Brains, one of the oldest mining pools in the space, active since 2010. This is a step-by-step guide where I'll walk you through every single step. It's super simple. Let's get into it. Before I jump into the step-by-step guide on how to take a loan using the Firefish platform, a quick reminder. Bitcoin-backed loans are not risk-free. The main risk is liquidation. Always make sure you have enough collateral. And during a bear market, it's crucial to over-collateralize ahead of time, rather than waiting until the last moment. With that being said, let's begin. First, go to the Firefish platform. You can use my affiliate link in the description. With my link, you'll get a 30% discount on fees for your first loan. The very first step is registering on the platform. Firefish has different account tiers. To unlock borrowing and investing, you'll need to complete the standard KYC process. Once your registration is complete, you'll be able to apply for a loan. To do that, click Borrow, then choose the currency you want to borrow. On Firefish, you can take a loan in US dollars, euros, USDC, Swiss francs, Polish zloty, or Czech koruna. Firefish is also working on adding more options, so you may see additional currencies and stablecoins available in the near future. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to borrow US dollars. Next, at the bottom, choose the loan period in months. The shorter the loan period, the lower the interest rate and the lower the required collateral. The longer the loan period, the higher the interest rate and the higher the collateral requirement. For this tutorial, I'll select a 12-month loan. With Firefish, you can choose between an instant loan with guaranteed funding at a fixed interest rate, or you can set your own interest rate and try to attract investors. There is also a notice your loan option available for larger loan amounts. For this example, I'm setting up a $21,000 loan, and I'll set my own interest rate at 8.5% per year. PA stands for per annum. If the loan gets funded, I'll need to repay $22,785 in total. Firefish loans are bullet loans, which means there are no monthly payments. The platform estimates a medium chance of this loan getting filled. To secure this loan, I'll need to deposit a little over 0.47 BTC as collateral. Before we continue, it's important to clarify how Firefish works. Firefish doesn't act as a lender or a borrower. They're essentially the bridge, a non-custodial marketplace that connects lenders and borrowers. And it takes a small fee for providing that service. And again, if you use my link, you'll get a 30% discount on your first loan fee. Firefish is also open source. The protocol and the source code are publicly available, so anyone can review and verify how it works. That transparency is a big reason why Firefish is trusted by thousands of users. Let's continue. Once you've entered all your loan request details, tap Continue. Carefully review your marketplace loan request details. If everything looks good, click Create Loan Request. Your loan request is now live on the Firefish marketplace, and potential investors can see it. If you want to check your loan request, go to your dashboard, open the Borrow section, and at the top you'll see My Loan Requests. From here you can also cancel your loan request if you decide not to proceed. After an investor discovers your loan request on the marketplace and decides to proceed, you'll see a pending loan appear under My Loans tab. Now you'll need to lock your collateral. Tap the Lock Collateral button. Next, select the bank account where you want to receive the loan and hit Continue. You can manage your bank accounts in the My Account section. Now carefully review your loan details. Read the Firefish Terms of Service, the Collateral Escrow Rules, and the Distribution Escrow Rules. Check the box confirming that you agreed to all terms. Then confirm that you wish to enter into a legally binding agreement under the terms outlined in the Loan and Security Agreement template, and click Confirm Loan Details. The next step is Bitcoin Escrow Setup. Click Let's Go. Before locking your Bitcoin, Firefish will ask you to confirm your Firefish password. Enter your password, then check the box confirming that you understand you may be required to provide your Firefish login password during contract setup. Click Confirm my password, then paste your Bitcoin return address. Make sure you do not use an exchange address, only use an address from a wallet you control, because this address is permanent and cannot be changed. Confirm that this is a self-custody address and that you understand this address is permanent for this loan and cannot be changed. Then hit Submit Return Address. Review your Bitcoin address one more time and hit Confirm and Continue. You have now successfully created a Bitcoin funding address. Proceed with sending Bitcoin to the address shown on the screen. Make sure you don't send a smaller amount than required, and make sure you do not trigger a fee bump, as it may affect the process. Choose a sufficiently high network fee in advance so your transaction goes through without delays. Once your Bitcoin is sent, you'll see a confirmation message saying Bitcoin transfer successful. Wait a few seconds while your escrow is being set up. The next step is to finalize your escrow. Tap the Complete Setup button. Congrats, your Bitcoin escrow has been created successfully. Tap Continue. Now wait for network confirmations on your collateral. This may take up to 20 minutes. After that, the investor will be instructed to send the funds. You'll see the loan listed as pending on your Home tab. Once the investor initiates the transfer, you'll receive a notification. Then open My Loans and click the Confirm Receipt button. Now check your bank account balance. You should receive the funds. If you receive the funds, check the box confirming the receipt and tap Confirm Funds. If the funds have not been received by the loan provision date, contact Firefish support at hello@firefish.io. After that, you'll be asked to provide feedback on your experience with the loan setup process. Go back to your dashboard. Here you can check your loan details, the liquidation price, and your collateral health. Now let's briefly review all available actions. You are able to add a note, view loan documents, check the return address, save the recovery transaction, and top up collateral. I'll show you how to do it later. You can also request early repayment, add the maturity event to your calendar, and download backup data. All of your active loans are also visible on the Home tab. As your loan gets closer to its maturity date, you'll see an action item prompting you to proceed with loan repayment. Tap the Show Details button, review your bank transfer details, and review your Bitcoin return address. Check the box to confirm your details, then hit Confirm Bank Transfer. Now you'll need to wait until the investor confirms the transfer. Go back to your dashboard. Your loan status will flip to Pending Closure, and once the investor confirms the transfer, it will change to Loan Repaid, Processing Collateral Return. Then you'll receive your Bitcoin back to the address you provided. Now I'll show you how to top up your Bitcoin collateral on the Firefish platform. It's super simple. Go to My Loans. Tap Actions and then select Top Up Collateral. You'll see the Setup wizard. Click the Let's Go button. Enter your current Firefish login password. Confirm that you understand you may be required to provide the Firefish password during the contract setup. Then hit Confirm My Password. Next, enter your Bitcoin return address. Confirm that this is a self-custody address you control and that it's not an exchange address. Then click the Submit Return Address button. Review your address and click Confirm and Continue. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to top up. Review your new liquidation price, your updated collateral health, and your new LTV. Then click Continue to Bitcoin Transfer. Now send your Bitcoin to your Bitcoin funding address. Again, do not trigger fee bump or replace by fee, even if it's enabled by your wallet. And do not send less Bitcoin than required. Once the top-up collateral amount is sent, you should see the message Bitcoin transfer successful. Please wait a few seconds. After the transaction is processed, finalize your collateral top-up by clicking Complete Collateral Top-up. Then go back to your dashboard. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you should see your updated collateral amount and your updated liquidation price. Firefish is a leading platform for Bitcoin-backed loans, trusted by thousands of users globally. It's fully open source, which means anyone can review the underlying code. And as you can see, the process of taking a Bitcoin-backed loan is very simple. Again, use my link in the description to get 30% off your first loan fee. And as always, check out CryptoSnake deals for the best discounts on conference tickets and crypto gear. Huddle strong. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack.
People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you. I just